Hey guys, welcome back to my What's for Dinner this week. This week was a crazy week. There wasn't a lot of cooking going on. I had company, we had other things going on, but I did cook 3 times. So you will see Monday, me and Angel, my niece Angel was down, so she helped me. We made some of the Taco Bell crunch wraps. So we started off with the taco meat that she cooked, and we just used some tortillas and put the meat and some of that gourmet nacho cheese that I had in the can, and some of those Mission tostadas that I got, and some shredded lettuce, and we grilled them on my little grill, the indoor, the grill, the electric kind of griddle. That's the better word for it. And they turned out so good. So enjoy watching us make these crunchy delights. I'll tell you, they were so good. Angel, who used to work for Taco Bell, and she said, I don't know why I haven't made these at home before, Meemaw. She calls me Meemaw. She's my great niece, but she's like my granddaughter. And so carry on, and here we go.
I'm feeling so lonely when you never phone me. I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright.
See, they turned out so pretty and so delicious. We really enjoyed it. And that's on my new dining ware that I got from Pioneer Woman, the cowboy lace. And then Tuesday, Angel had a doctor's appointment in Tyler, and I was going to go with her that day, but didn't get to, so she brought back pizza. Then Wednesday night, we just had leftovers from stuff that we had Sunday. We had mashed potatoes and squash. And then Thursday night, then I cooked again, and I just kind of came up with, I had taken some chicken out. I didn't want it to ruin, so I just put it in my Ninja crock pot. I put some olive oil on top of it and some of that mesquite seasoning and marinade powder that Keith had got a haul, matter of fact, Monday, I believe, in my grocery haul. That right there. And oh my gosh, I just cooked it on low, and then when it got done, I put it in a container, and then I made some baked potatoes in my Instant Pot, and we had stuffed baked potatoes.
best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over.
And these potatoes tasted so good. And then Friday, which is tonight, I used that same chicken and some croissants, and I just made some, whatever you want to call it, cheesy chicken, mesquite chicken croissants. Because as you see, I am just going to slice up this cheese chunks in half so it won't be so hard to put inside the croissants. And then I'm going to open those croissants up and mash them out a little bit, spread that chicken in there, put some of that cheese on top, roll them up, put them in the oven. We cooked them, and that's honestly what we had for supper, guys. I didn't even put anything else with it because I had some stuff before supper, so I wasn't that hungry. Keith usually is not that hungry, and so that's all we had tonight for supper, and it was really good. No waste. The chicken, I had a little bit of chicken left, but not a whole lot.
I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
Show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Honey, it's way past time. How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine. I'll show you mine. Boy, I'm standing right here holding up a sign, shamelessly displaying my state of mind. But you walk right past me, pretending like you don't see what's yours for the taking tonight. Ooh, show me your soul. Baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul. Can't you see it's way past time? How explicit do I have to be? Need I spell it out before you get it, baby? Show me your soul. And honey, I'll show you mine.
So as you can see, they came out so golden brown and they were delicious. I hope y'all enjoyed this What's for Dinner this week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!